You know what MJ didn't do? Michael Jordan could never beat the super team. He couldn't. He beat the Pistons when they were old. Couldn't beat them before. He beat the Celtics when they were old. Couldn't do it before. Oh, Michael was the scoring king. Michael was the MVP. Michael Jordan could never beat the super team. Oh, he beat the Sonics. They never won a title. He beat the Suns. They're not all-time great. He beat the Knicks and the Pacers. So what? Michael could never beat the super team. Couldn't. Sorry. Hate to break it to you. Pistons owned him when they were in their prime. Only beat him when they were old. Celtics owned him in their prime. He only beat him when they were old. And then he beat Magic when Magic and that Lakers team had all their championships, had been to 8 finals, and they were old. He could never beat the super team. LeBron now faces the super team. We thought this LeBron James, Michael Jordan argument was dead, right? 6 for 6. But if LeBron wins next year, he'll be 2 for 2 against super teams. This year's record-breaking Warriors and next year's Kevin Durant, almost unfair. We should be outraged. 4 of the top 15 players, best team ever assembled. He'll be 2 for 2. So Kevin Durant joining the Warriors brings back the, wow, is LeBron maybe, all things considered, better than MJ?